Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing the latest smartphone from Infinix, the GT20 Pro 5G. Okay, as you can see, the design of the Infinix GT20 Pro 5G box is spectacular, perfectly matching the phone's height and specs. Okay, so inside the box we get a cool case, screen protector, SIM ejector, Type-C cable, 45-watt charger, user manual, and of course the Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device itself. Okay, so the back of the phone features a cyber mecha lightning design, which includes RGB lighting in a curved line resembling the letter C. This design gives the Infinix GT20 Pro 5G a futuristic look, similar to many gaming phones. The RGB lights can display 8 color combinations and 4 lighting effects, randomly blinking and changing colors based on the user's in-game actions. Okay, so let's dive straight into the specs and see what makes this device stand out. Starting with the design. The Infinix GT20 Pro 5G comes in as shown on the screen. Okay, it's available in 3 stunning colors, Mecha Orange, Mecha Silver, and Mecha Blue. Okay, and the phone also features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. The screen offers a smooth 144Hz refresh rate and an impressive 360Hz touch sampling rate, perfect for gamers and those who love a fluid display experience. Plus, with a peak brightness of 1300 nits, visibility in bright sunlight is no issue. Okay, and under the hood, the Infinix GT20 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, built on a 4nm process. So, the CPU clocks up to as shown on the screen. Ensures top-notch graphic performance. Okay, and you have two RAM and storage options to choose from. First, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and second, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Okay, and for photography enthusiasts, the rear camera setup includes a 108MP main sensor with OIS, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. So, on the front, there is a 32MP camera for high-quality selfies. Okay, next, the phone packs a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day. And also, it runs on Android 14 with XOS 14, offering a smooth and customizable user experience. Okay, so for additional features, include dual nano SIM slots, but no micro SD slot, USB Type-C, NFC, IP54 water and dust resistance, and in-display fingerprint scanner, dual JBL speaker with DTS and high-res audio, and X-axis linear vibration for an enhanced haptic experience. Alright, that concludes our unboxing and first look at the Infinix GT20 Pro 5G. The phone's futuristic design, impressive display, and powerful spec make it stand out in its class. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more touch unboxings and review. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you!